Bird of Paradise. Nestled within the lush rainforest of Papua New Guinea, a kaleidoscope of avian elegance unfolds at dawn's first light. Here, amidst a symphony of vibrant foliage, male birds of paradise emerge as living works of art. Their resplendent plumage, a canvas of radiant hues, golden yellows, azure blues, fairy scarlets, and emerald greens, paints the forest with unparalleled brilliance. As the sun kisses the treetops, these majestic creatures burst into a chorus of calls, their voices piercing the tranquil air like melodies from another world. It is a serenade to allure, a symphony of desire echoing through the emerald canopy. With impeccable grace, the males embark on an intricate courtship ritual, their movement a mesmerizing ballet of seduction. Adorned with flamboyant feathered ruffs and extravagant streamers, they dance with an otherworldly elegance, their every motion a testament to nature's boundless creativity. In this enchanted realm, time seems to stand still as the males pour their every essence into their displays, each gesture a testament to the depths of their devotion. For in the realm of birds of paradise, courtship is not merely a means to an end, but a symphony of life itself, an ode to beauty, love, and the eternal dance of existence. I hope you learned more information about Bird of Paradise. If you like the story, please like me. Thank you.